I am Kojo Mensa. Welcome to Top 5 Show. Today, we want to talk about the top 5 birds you can find in Ghana, and they are Cameraman. Who is that? Please can you get rid of him? Okay, let's continue. The first one on the list is laughing dove. Its scientific name is Streptopelia senegalensis socotre and it is very common in Ghana. Some Ghanaian children catch it and use it for meat or use it to play.
On top of the shoe,
Cameraman, this guy is pissing me off. I gonna kick his ass. Let's continue. The second one on the list is Greyheaded Sparrow. Its scientific name is Passer griseus. It is a bird species which is resident in much of tropical Africa. Mostly Ghanaians call it rubbish bird. The third one on our list is common bulbul. Its scientific name is called Pychonotus barbatus. It is a member of the bulbul family of passerini birds. The fourth one on our list is pied crow. Its scientific name is called Chorus albus. It is widely distributed African bird species in the crow genus. If you want to see some, come to Ghana. Ghana is a very nice country.
Hey, Johnny!
The last one on our list is Senegal Crow. Its scientific name is called Senegalensis. It is a member of the cuckoo order of birds, the cuculiformes, which also includes the roadrunners, the anis and the hoatzin. That's all for today. Have a nice day.